Address to President of United States, Honorable Donald Trump, and Nation of United States. Subject: It is time to abolish anti-national and useless Senate in United States once and for all, which symbolize slavery period of history. Dear Trump, it is not difficult to see that tragic clash in Charlottesville has been organized by the anti-Trump Jewish mayor of the Charlottesville, Michael Zigner, and member of City Council, which all of them are members of Party of Democratic Mobsters, which is ruling by the mafia-like power group of Jewish Democratic senators leading by Jewish Chuck Schumer, who are also trying to create chaos in United States and illegally block and impeach one of the best president of United States, Donald Trump, against will of United States nation. Just look, after organizing a violent event in Charlottesville by the Jewish mayor of the city, Michael Zigner, he immediately began to blame the President of United States, Donald Trump, without any reason, instead of blaming himself. And Jewish leading propaganda machines immediately began to spread baseless blaming of Donald Trump for these violent events, which organized by Jewish mayor of the city of Charlottesville, Michael Zigner. Another Jewish mayor of Sacramento City, California, far away 1,000 miles from Charlottesville, Jewish Darrell Steinberg, echoed immediately and blamed also President of United States, Donald Trump. Legitimate question is that why that kind of clashes didn't happen in one of the cities which is managed by a Republican white mayor, but it is happened in the city which has Jewish mayor and Democratic City Council. It is FBI's duty to find out invisible hands of Jewish mafia which organized this violent clash in Charlottesville, Virginia, and arrest Mayor of Charlottesville, Michael Zigner, who have organized this violent clash for blaming Donald Trump. Let me bring to your attention several other facts which are also confirming of my thesis. At first, let us look into Senate of United States. In Senate of United States, 2% of Jewish background citizens of United States have captured 10% of all of Senate seats, staggering 5 times more seats in Senate than other national backgrounds of citizens of United States have had. 5 times illegal overrepresentation of Jewish senators gave to them a possibility to create illegal mafia-like power groups in Senate. It also is confirming by the fact that leading senator of Democratic Party is Jewish Chuck Schumer. If you use a probability theory of scientific statistics, it is not difficult to prove that it is not a random event, but organized one. Because of less than 2% Jewish background citizens of United States have captured the most key positions in government, Senate, House of Representatives, and important committees such as judicial, national security, foreign policy, international trade committees, propaganda machines, internet, almost all public and private TV, administration of all of public and private universities, research institutions, National Institute of Health, financial and judicial institution of United States, and that way they become really master nation in United States and trying to enslave whole other nationals in United States with the help of schizophrenic religious Jewish exceptionalism and delirious master Jewish nation theory in United States. But in fact, quantities of schizophrenics and genetic diseases among the Jewish people are more than among the other nations. All of these facts confirm existence of Jewish schizophrenic racism and fascism in United States, and it has to be resolutely stopped and liquidated by President and nation of United States by all means. How to fight against this evil? What to do? I have my proposal about it. First, restore of equality between all citizens of United States with different national origins. All citizens of United States have to have equal proportional representation in Senate, House of Representatives, and government of United States according percentage of their national backgrounds. It means that 8 from 10 Jewish senators have to resign because of illegal overrepresentation of Jewish senators in Senate of United States, which gave them a possibility to organize mafia-like Jewish power groups in Senate, and that way command over all nation and even over President of United States. Same thing have to be done in House of Representatives, where quantity of Jewish representatives more than 7% instead of 2%. Second, equality has to be restored in government, intelligence offices, military administration, propaganda machines, financial and scientific institutions, quantity of lawyers, and all of administration of public institutions. Only after that we can talk about equal rights between all citizens of United States. Third, Constitution of United States, which has been written on the slavery religious point of view and slavery philosophy, have to change fully, but not amended again and again, using scientific sociology, philosophy, and human rights, but not wrong slavery religious philosophy. Also, it is time to abolish anti-national and useless Senate in United States once and for all, which was created by rich slave owners of Roman Empery. Therefore, President Trump has to directly address to whole nation of United States for conducting referendum among United States nation about abolishing of useless slavery on the national Senate once and for all. Actually, historically, Senate has been created by rich slave owners of Roman Empery, and therefore many progressive countries of the world have already abolished Senate and accepted only one cameral legislative system, only House of Representatives. Contemporary nation of United States does not need this unjust, useless slavery and bureaucratic Senate at all. Thanks.